Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on using the Deep Clean feature of MIUI 12 to clear space on your Xiaomi phone. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Start by opening the Settings app. If the Settings app isn't on your home screen, you can get to it via the app drawer. In Settings, tap About Phone. Tap the Storage tile on the top right of the About Phone page. Scroll down a bit and under More Cleaning Tools you should see the Deep Clean link. Tap that. You can now look through the different categories such as photos and apps. Tap the Clean Now button to start clearing space. With photos, it will show you duplicate photos that you can remove with one click. With apps, it allows you to quickly select multiple apps to delete in one go. Deep Clean will also offer you other suggestions that will clear up space on your phone. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Xiaomi and MIUI tips and tricks.